Welcome to the top best. The best Ikape Tamper is probably one of the most essential tools for any serious home barista looking to elevate their espresso game, as it directly impacts the quality and consistency of your shot by ensuring an even distribution of coffee grounds in the portafilter, which is crucial for optimal extraction and a truly delicious cup of coffee. Number 5. MHW 3 Bomber 54mm Calibrated Espresso Tamper. Achieve perfect espresso tamps every time with our innovative 3-spring design. It ensures a consistent 30 pounds of pressure for optimal extraction. Never guess your tamping pressure again. This tool provides a satisfying click when you reach the perfect 30 pounds, guiding your technique. Enjoy a comfortable tamping experience with its ergonomic handle, crafted from elegant wood and metal. It feels as good as it looks. Designed with a 53.35mm base, it fits snugly into 54mm portafilter baskets. This minimizes residual grounds for a cleaner puck. Whether you're a coffee enthusiast or a seasoned barista, this tamper is an excellent choice. It's designed to elevate your coffee experience. It's perfectly compatible with popular Breville models like the Barista Express, Pro, Touch, Bambino Plus, Infuser, and Duotemp Pro. What we like. This tamper provides a satisfying click when you reach the perfect 30 pounds of pressure, eliminating guesswork. Its ergonomic handle ensures comfort during use. If you're a beginner barista or someone who values clear feedback and a comfortable grip, this is an excellent choice for consistent tamping. What people say. The Ikape Tamper is a game-changer for espresso enthusiasts, offering a perfectly level tamp every time, which is crucial for consistent extraction. Its innovative design features a self-leveling mechanism that automatically adjusts to your portafilter, eliminating the need for manual leveling and ensuring a professional quality shot. The tamper is made from high-quality stainless steel, providing durability and a comfortable grip for precise pressure application. Number 4. Ikape 51mm Coffee Distributor and Tamper. This coffee tool is specifically designed for all 51mm portafilters, including compatible models for DeLonghi. Ensure you select the 51mm size for your 51 or 52mm portafilter. Featuring a unique 4-page propeller design, this 2-in-1 tool combines dispensing, leveling, and tamping functions. Both sides can be used, ensuring a consistent and even tamp every time. With clear depth markings, you can easily set the optimal extraction depth. This feature ensures consistent tamping pressure, making it simple even for beginners. Achieve a neat, flat filter basket floor with a few simple twists. This tool eliminates key variables for an even extraction and a more balanced espresso flavor. Fill your portafilter with enough grounds, use the spiral dispenser to level and tamp, then brew with quality water. We guarantee your satisfaction or a full refund. What we like. This innovative tool combines distribution and tamping in one, featuring an adjustable depth for precise control. Its unique propeller design ensures an even coffee bed every time. If you're looking for a versatile, all-in-one solution to simplify your espresso routine and achieve consistent results, especially with DeLonghi machines, this is the one for you. What people say. The tamper is solid and feels good in the hand. It has a nice weight to it and the base is perfectly flat. The tamper fits snugly in my portafilter. Number 3. 51mm Rosewood Espresso Accessories Kit. Introducing a comprehensive 4-in-1 espresso accessories kit designed to transform your coffee-making experience. This set includes everything you need for a perfect shot, every time. Achieve optimal extraction with our spring-loaded espresso tamper. Its calibrated force ensures consistent pressure, leading to a more balanced and flavorful espresso with every use. Say goodbye to coffee clumps with our 8-needle WDT tool. It effortlessly breaks them apart, optimizing your extraction and preventing common issues like channeling and spattering. Our magnetic dosing funnel makes adding grounds a breeze. It securely attaches, minimizing mess and coffee powder splash while ensuring accurate dosing for a superior coffee experience. This professional-grade espresso tamper kit is perfect for cafes, offices, or home use. Give the gift of barista-quality espresso, no matter where you are. This all-in-one kit provides multiple functional tools for a professional coffee-making experience. It's the ideal companion for anyone who appreciates a perfectly crafted espresso. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes a tamper, WDT tool, dosing funnel, and mat, providing everything you need for a professional coffee experience. The WDT tool effectively breaks up clumps, and the magnetic funnel ensures a clean workflow. If you want a complete set of high-quality accessories to elevate your home barista skills and maintain a tidy workspace, this kit is an ideal gift. What people say. The tamper is solid and has a good weight to it, making it feel substantial in hand. It fits perfectly in my 58mm portafilter, creating a nice, even tamp every time. The polished stainless steel base is smooth and easy to clean, and the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip. Number 2. Ikape 53mm Calibrated Espresso Tamper. Discover the Ikape 53mm Espresso Tamper, designed by baristas for the ultimate coffee experience. It's engineered for precision and quality. Crafted from 100% food-safe stainless steel, this premium tool ensures a better espresso extraction. Its durable, rust-proof design promotes healthy consumption. Achieve over 22 pounds of pressure with minimal effort thanks to its upgraded spring-loaded technology. Its sleek, minimalist look adds a touch of style to your coffee setup. Achieve a perfectly flat, concentric ring coffee surface every time. This consistent pressure distribution is key to improving extraction and unlocking a truly great-tasting coffee. For optimal results, ensure your portafilter is filled, level the grounds, and brew with quality water. Elevate your home coffee game and enjoy cafe-quality espresso. We are confident in our product's quality. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer a full refund or a chance to pass on your good deed. What we like. Crafted from premium stainless steel, this tamper offers a sleek, minimalist aesthetic and exceptional durability. Its design allows for effortless tamping with just 22 pounds of pressure, creating a perfect concentric ring pattern for optimal extraction. If you appreciate high-quality materials, a stylish look, and a tool that makes achieving excellent espresso easy, this is a top contender. What people say. The tamper is well made and feels solid in the hand. It distributes the coffee grounds evenly, leading to a better espresso shot. The adjustable height feature is very convenient for dialing in your shots. Number 1. MHW 3 Bomber 54mm Dual Spring Espresso Tamper T6000 OS. Introducing the MHW 3 Bomber 54mm Espresso Tamper, designed for the modern coffee enthusiast. Achieve consistent, high-quality espresso with every use. Its unique dual spring system offers adjustable tamping pressure, allowing you to customize your brew based on the day's beans and grind. This makes it ideal for busy cafes looking to boost efficiency. Experience the convenience of automatic reset and perfectly horizontal tamping. This feature helps prevent uneven compaction and reduces channeling for a smoother extraction. The 53.35mm ripple base maximizes coffee and water contact, unlocking richer flavors for your milk coffees and Americanos. Enjoy a more aromatic and full-bodied espresso. Crafted with an aluminum alloy handle and a food-grade stainless steel base, this tamper is built for longevity and your health. It's a sustainable choice over traditional wooden handles. MHW 3 Bomber is committed to enhancing your coffee experience. We offer premium quality and excellent customer service, ensuring you get the best from your espresso accessories. What we like. This tamper features a self-leveling mechanism and a unique ripple base that increases coffee contact, leading to richer flavor extraction. Its durable aluminum and steel construction ensures longevity. If you're looking for a tamper that guarantees a perfectly level tamp with every use and aims to maximize flavor extraction, especially for milk-based drinks and Americanos, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The Ikape Tamper is a game-changer for espresso enthusiasts. Its unique design allows for a perfectly level tamp every time, ensuring consistent extraction and a superior shot of espresso. I love the build quality of the Ikape Tamper. It's made of high-quality stainless steel and feels very durable in hand. The weight is just right, providing a comfortable and stable tamping experience. The adjustable depth feature on the Ikape Tamper is fantastic. It allows me to dial in my espresso shots with precision, eliminating guesswork and ensuring optimal results. This tamper has significantly improved the quality of my home-brewed espresso. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.